One of the best things we tasted in Hawaii was Kalua pork. Deeply flavored, tender morsels of pork served any way you like it. So delicious. Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude is behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. We had Kalua pork on Eggs Benedict. Oh my goodness, it was so good. And throughout the week, we saw it on the menu, but it was only available on certain days of the week, whether it was like Friday or Wednesday. And so we didn't get to try it again, but it was enough of a taste that morning that made me want to recreate it again here at home. You guys are gonna be amazed at how few ingredients are gonna make this dish so incredibly delicious. So I have 2 pounds of pork that I've cut up into 2-inch cubes. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of the Alea sea salt. If you don't have this particular sea salt, which is what I picked up in Hawaii, you can use just any sea salt or even kosher salt. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of liquid smoke, and this is hickory flavor. And this is what's going to give it that smoky flavor. I think traditionally, Kalua pork is made by digging a pit in the dirt and covering it with seasoning and smoking it all day, well, a whole pig. And that's where all that flavor comes from, just slow cooking a whole pig. Sorry, but you all know I can't be bothered with that digging a pit in the yard. That's not happening. I'm just gonna use my hands and I'm just gonna massage the liquid smoke into all the pieces and the salt before I stick it in the pot.
Wow, that liquid smoke is legit. I can totally smell it.
Yeah, amazing. I didn't even know that you can buy such a thing. All right, I also have some banana leaves, and I found these in the freezer section of an Asian market. And I just have I just cut up 3 pieces. I don't know how big. I hope that's enough. And I have a 1/4 cup of water in my Instant Pot, and I am going to pressure cook it so that we can get the flavors going really fast and get it done quickly. So I'm just gonna throw some of these banana leaves in there. The bottom. Then I'm going to put my pork in there on top. And maybe put the next leaf in there as well. There's no science, guys. I'm just trying to layer the different items so that we get the flavors throughout. All right, that's it. And if you can't find banana leaves, you can just omit them. You're still going to get a really flavorful dish. Okay, locking the lid into place, making sure the sealing knob is on sealing. And we're going to cook this for 35 minutes. You can cook it for a little bit longer if you like, up to 45 minutes to make it even more tender. I think 35 minutes is going to do, given the size of the pork cubes that I've cut up. So we will see you in a bit. All right, that was really quick, you guys. It came up to pressure like in no time, and then it cooked for 35 minutes. Let's see, it smells amazing. I quick released the pressure. And we're just going to pull this out and put it onto a tray because I do want to put this under the broiler for just a few minutes to add some extra flavor. All right, I know it doesn't look like much, but once we put this under the broiler and get some browning color on it, it will look amazing. Just going to see if I can squish them down a little bit so that we can get a little bit more surface area to be browned. And that will also help with the shredding of it later. I've already preheated my broiler, and I'm just gonna stick this under there for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, there's one side. We're gonna flip it over and do the other side. What a difference, eh?
Incredible difference.
So that was 5 minutes on one side. So now I'm going to stick it back under the broiler for another 5 minutes to do the side. Oh my goodness, check it out, guys. Looking so good. Okay, just gonna shred it a little bit more before I plate it.
That liquid smoke does wonders.
I can't believe the amount of flavor or the smell of this smoke. All right, guys, check this out. Can you imagine this served with rice and some veggies? Or you can like how we had it, used as the meat in Eggs Benedict, or you can put these in a taco shell or burrito.
Delicious.
As a slider in buns with some coleslaw maybe.
So many options.
I'm gonna add some more flavor using the liquid from the pot and moistening up this meat a little bit more. I wish you guys could smell this. All right, are you all ready for?
Definitely.
The taste. I'm digging these dishes. Now, something so simplistic, you know, the mind would tell you that, well, it can't be very flavorful, but actually it doesn't take much. The aromas, I wish we had smell-o-vision because really does offer that smoke. Okay, so I'm eyeing this piece that has a bit of fat. And it has some charring on it too. Ah, incredible, that liquid smoke does amazing things. Guys, that is so good. The fat is rendered so well. It melts in the mouth. It's so good. It's like simply awesome flavors. Texture, as I said, perfect. That perfect piece had that perfect balance of fat and the charring of the meat. This is gonna go awesome with rice and the veg. Super simple meal that has incredible flavors. So there's not much more to say, except mahalo, Hawaiian dudes.
Thanks, dude. I can't believe how easy that was to make with just minimal ingredients, but delicious flavors and just, oh, it's so good. You guys have to try it. For another Hawaiian favorite, check it out. I will see you over there.